Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a printer in Cura. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just go straight right here and click add printer. And right here you'll see that it is Ultimaker printer or non-Ultimaker printer. So I have non-Ultimaker printer, click on that one, and you can add a networked printer, but my printer is not that futuristic, so it is the old primitive way by saving files to SD card and putting the SD card to the printer. So you can see there's different brands. So my printer is Creality 3D, and you can see you can select different Creality 3D printers. So my one is S1 Pro. You will need to click add, and as you can see you can name your printer right here, and these are the machine settings. So make sure to left these at original ones, don't play or mess up with them, and click next. And as you can see, you added your printer, Creality Ender S1 Pro. And now you can add some models and slice it down. Here, make sure to select your material and nozzle size. So that's pretty much it, and see you guys in the next one.